Okay, so in this one, we want to break this up with partial fractions. So we write something of the nature like this, and it equals that mess. And so when we clear out the denominators, we get something like this. Alright, and then you use any trick you want to figure out what A and B is. Any trick at all. The ends totally justify the means in this case. If you try n equals 0, n equals 0 tells us 3 is equal to 3a, so a is equal to 1, and n is equal to minus 3 gives us. But the thing you want to make sure is that these guys have to have opposite signs or this isn't going to work. Opposite signs but the same absolute value. Otherwise this thing is to completely fail. Okay, so that's the first thing you want to be sure of. Okay, the next thing is we want to just start thinking in terms of what does this mean. I want you to notice that the difference, you have to add 3 to get from this expression to the other expression, the denominator that is. So that tells you the width of the thing you're working with. So for example, I'm saying at n equals 1, I get the following, and then n equals 2, I get the following, n equals 3, I get the following, and then because the distance between these denominators is 3, I'm going to make 3 groups of 2, okay? That's just my rule of thumb. Make life easier. And you write out a nice grid of these. Probably 3 lines, but I'm only going to do 2. Alright, and then you just start crossing things out. But realizing that now you've got them set up, they're going to cross out forever in that direction. And don't forget to add the remaining things together and circle that and say that's my answer if you're lazy, or you add them up if you're not lazy. Well, either way you should tell me it's your answer, just because it's not required but it's wise.